To use Gemini models inside NotebookLM chat, start by opening NotebookLM and signing in with your Google account. Gemini is the AI system that powers NotebookLM's conversational features, helping you analyze, summarize, and interact with your sources through natural language questions. The first step is to create a new notebook or open an existing one. Once inside the notebook, click Add Sources and upload the materials you want to work with. These sources can include PDFs, Google Docs, websites, research papers, lecture notes, reports, and other supported content. After uploading your sources, wait for NotebookLM to process and index them. This allows the Gemini models to understand the content and use it when answering your questions. The quality of the responses depends heavily on the sources available in the notebook, so providing complete and relevant materials will generally lead to better results. Once your sources are ready, open the chat panel. This is where you interact directly with the Gemini-powered assistant. Simply type a question into the chat box and submit it. For example, you might ask for a summary of a research paper, an explanation of a complex concept, a comparison between sources, or a breakdown of key findings. Gemini will analyze the information available in your notebook and generate a response based on those sources. Unlike a general chatbot, NotebookLM focuses on the materials you have provided, helping keep answers grounded in your uploaded content. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions. For example, if you receive a summary, you can ask for more detail about a specific section, request a simplified explanation, identify limitations of a study, or generate a study guide from the information provided. As you work, save useful responses as notes so you can easily revisit them later. This allows you to build a structured collection of insights based on your research materials. And that's how you use Gemini models inside NotebookLM chat. Upload your sources, ask questions through the chat panel, explore follow-up topics, and use Gemini's source-based reasoning to better understand and organize your information.